Welcome to Kayukido.
Today we discuss simple steps on how to set up a bassinet. Do you aim to buy your baby's newborn accessories? If you are pregnant or a newborn mother, a bassinet must be among the items you aim to buy. The major question lay on how to set up a bassinet. Bassinet consists of an essential bed that is best for newborns. They come in small sizes which helps people carry them to different places. They are much similar to mobile baskets. This implies you will get to retrace it even as you sleep at night. You will be free to place it in any secure place at your home. When you set up and clean the bassinet, you need to have knowledge when it comes to the setup and design of the bassinet. Bassinet design. Bassinet in many ways resembles a basket. What gives it this resemblance is its casters and fixed legs. This item is made of different frames of metal ranging from plastic tubing and wood. Ensure you utilize the fabric cover or attached hood. It will guide you as you block light whenever to lay your baby to sleep. You may as well utilize the different accessories present underneath the shelf. Set up equipments. On stand 1 hardboard, 4 casters, 4 stands or metal tubes, pillow, mattress, sheet, 4 different metal brackets. Methods on how to put a bassinet together. When it comes to the setup of the bassinet, the process is simple. Here are different major steps you need to put into consideration. When you follow the discussed steps and where to put bassinet in bedroom, you will have assurance of your child's safety. Therefore, carefully read through the guide and you will be certain of high quality and durable services. Step 1. Caster attachment. The first thing you need to do is to ensure you get to attach casters and the metal tube's end. You will realize there are 4 wheels present in the 4 stands. The main role of these 4 stands is to allow one to change the position of the bassinet when need be. This way, you can have the bassinet near you as you continue working. As a result, always ensure these casters can freely roll. This implies you will get the chance of moving the portable bassinet at your convenience. While traveling, you are free to carry the bassinet with you as the product is lightweight. Step 2. Proper leg alignment. Ensure you align the legs into the oval-shaped stand. With good alignment, you will have certainty of the product's high-quality services in all the different instances. Additionally, ensure you always get to check the nature of the support legs. The legs will carry your child's weight in all the different instances. Your aim should be to make sure the legs are locked in the right manner. This way, you will avoid any accident which would result from poor locking of legs. You need to make sure you always get to fix the different stands in the right manner and at the exact points they ought to be. Step 3. Make a hardboard solid and rim surface. This product comes with 2 different metal brackets that are small. Their major role is to allow usage in bassinet rim creation while in the bassinet. This way, always make sure there is proper locking on the 2 different sides of the hardboard which are oval-shaped. For proper locking, you need to make sure you use a screwdriver and screws. The hardboard gives the bed base. It consists of a solid and smooth surface which makes the bassinet best for use in smooth surfaces. Step 4. Construct a shelf. The bigger metal brackets should get attached to the 4 stands lower part. This way, there will be a shelf that will be located underneath. You will have the assurance of your child's cleanliness and great overall organization. The main role of the shelf is to help you place some of the child's items you will need soon. In this case, you will use a cloth or hardboard to help you make a shelf. With this shelf, you will have the assurance that all your baby accessories are safe. Step 5. Cover with material. Ensure you place a cover and then cover the bassinet bed area. This cover will offer extra safety to your child. Your child will sleep soundly as the cover will add extra comfort. Again, ensure the fabric liner side needs to be pulled to give a snug fit. The fabric is warm and helps to ensure your baby rests and sleeps peacefully. This way, you will comfortably attend to your different duties with an assurance that your child is safe. Step 6. Arrange with pillow and mattress. Ensure you spread a mattress or sheet on your hardboard. The role of the sheet and mattress is to add extra comfort to your child. This will ensure your child never gets hurt by any substance that would otherwise be present on the bassinet. The major role of this pillow is to give an assurance that your baby never gets to hurt their neck while sleeping. The pillow will act as the best support to your child's neck. Besides, place a pillow as it will help you complete making the baby's bed. It is best to have a foam with 2 inches thickness. This foam should be a bit soft to help your baby sleep comfortably and soundly. These different materials should be quite larger compared to the rim bottom. The main reason why the material on the leg side needs to be larger is since the baby has more weight on the top side compared to the bottom side. Step 7. Hood attachment. Finally, ensure you make a hood attachment through the aid of the buttons lock present on the two different hood sides. The lock is so important because they are the products that are behind bassinet safety. Therefore, you need to always be keen on ensuring they have a great level of safety. When to set up a bassinet. There is no time set for a person to put the child in the bassinet. However, the baby side bed sleeper is best for use by babies aged 0 to 6 months. A bassinet implies a sleep space that is designed for younger babies and newborns. Warning: as you use the bassinet, you need to be cautious to ensure the item is always locked and the bassinet is always clean. Ensure you lock and thus get assurance of your child's safety, especially as you get to use the product on the stairs and always amidst other kids. When you lock the bassinet, you will be assured of your child's safety in all the different instances. Conclusion: as you spend time and engage with the baby, it is best to place them in a place that is safe and secure. The bassinet entails a functional furniture that helps in nursery creation. In this case, you will feel at ease as you get to attend to the different tasks. This implies you will get the chance to use the bassinet with ease as long as you put these different steps into consideration that answer on how to set up a bassinet.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.